So how do I know what environmental regulations apply to my company? Here are 4 things to consider in order to identify your applicable environmental regulations. Number 1, identify your process waste streams. In general, there are 4 types of waste streams: air emissions, wastewater, solid waste, and hazardous waste. Number 2, evaluate your waste streams. You need to understand which equipment operations generate the waste and measure how much is generated. For example, if you have a paint line that uses oil-based paints, solvents, and thinners, the waste streams from this process are most likely air emissions in the form of particulate matter and VOCs, and hazardous waste as leftover paints, solvents, and thinners. In this specific scenario, you may be subject to air quality, chemical handling, and hazardous waste regulations. To help you determine, it can be useful to do a process flow diagram where you add all your system inputs and outputs to help you identify their environmental aspects and impacts. Determine your SIC code or NAICS code. These codes classify businesses based on their economic activity. Regulatory agencies use these codes as basic eligibility criterion to enforce industry-specific environmental regulations. And last but not least, consider all interested parties, including city, state, and federal regulations. Don't forget that depending on where you are located, there may be additional region-specific environmental regulations that may apply to your business. It's a best practice to proactively engage with state regulatory agencies. Informing these agencies and seeking their guidance on necessary permits ensures environmental compliance and prevents unexpected audits and penalties for permit violations. I'm Gaby Saavedra, a Sustainability Project Manager at the Georgia Manufacturing Extension Partnership. Please reach out to us if you need help determining what regulations apply to your company or have any other questions about sustainability.